Question 1. Which animal can change its color to blend with its surroundings? A. Chameleon. B. Frog. C. Snake. D. Fish. Correct answer. A. Chameleon. Question 2. What is the oldest continuously used stadium in the world? A. Olympia. B. Colosseum. C. Maracana. D. Wembley. Correct answer. A. Olympia. Question 3. In which country is Mount Everest located? A. Nepal. B. China. C. USA. D. Bhutan. Correct answer. A. Nepal. Question 4. Which animal never drinks water in its lifetime? A. Kangaroo rat. B. Camel. C. Elephant. D. Lizard. Correct answer. A. Kangaroo rat. Question 5. What is the deepest lake in the world? A. Baikal Lake. B. Victoria Lake. C. Tanganyika. D. Superior Lake. Correct answer. A. Baikal Lake. Question 6. Which bird cannot fly? A. Penguin. B. Ostrich. C. Kiwi. D. Duck. Correct answer. B. Ostrich. Question 7. Which animal is known as the sea cow? A. Dugong. B. Whale. C. Elephant. D. Fish. Correct answer. A. Dugong. Question 8. Which animal has the largest brain in proportion to its body? A. Dolphin. B. Elephant. C. Octopus. D. Bat. Correct answer. A. Dolphin. Question 9. What is the longest ropeway in the world? A. Gulmarg. B. Manali. C. Switzerland. D. Vancouver. Correct answer. A. Gulmarg. Question 10. Which planet is known as the ringed planet? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. D. Uranus. Correct answer. A. Saturn. Question 11. Which metal is called soft gold? A. Silver. B. Gold. C. Platinum. D. Copper. Correct answer. B. Gold. Question 12. In which country was the oldest written document found? A. Egypt. B. Greece. C. India. D. Iran. Correct answer. A. Egypt. Question 13. Which animal keeps its brain in its tail? A. Octopus. B. Chameleon. C. Whale. D. Snake. Correct answer. A. Octopus. Question 14. Which planet has the most moons? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. D. Neptune. Correct answer. B. Jupiter. Question 15. Which river is considered the lifeline of Egypt? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Mississippi. D. Ganges. Correct answer, A. Nile. Question 16. Which bird runs the fastest on land? A. Ostrich. B. Kiwi. C. Albatross. D. Parrot. Correct answer, A. Ostrich. Question 17. In which country does the sun shine for the longest time? A. Norway. B. Iceland. C. Australia. D. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer, A. Norway. Question 18. Which animal builds its own home? A. Beaver. B. Ant. C. Penguin. D. Monkey. Correct answer, A. Beaver. Question 19. Which bird has the largest brain in proportion to its body? A. Crow. B. Pigeon. C. Eagle. D. Sparrow. Correct answer, A. Crow. Question 20. Which ocean is the deepest shade of blue? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Correct answer, A. Pacific Ocean. Question 21. Which country has the most museums? A. USA. B. Russia. C. UK. D. China. Correct answer, A. USA. Question 22. Which country's constitution is the shortest in the world? A. Monaco. B. India. C. Japan. D. Luxembourg. Correct answer, A. Monaco. Question 23. Which country has never changed its flag? A. Netherlands. B. Germany. C. USA. D. Brazil. Correct answer, A. Netherlands. Question 24. Which animal can shed its tail to escape predators? A. Lizard. B. Snake. C. Frog. D. Dog. Correct answer, A. Lizard. Question 25. Where is the largest temple in the world located? A. Cambodia. B. Thailand. C. India. D. Myanmar. Correct answer, A. Cambodia.